Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for eBay step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.ebay.com and press enter. Once the eBay homepage loads, locate and click on the register link at the top of the page. On the registration page, you will see a form that requires your personal information. Begin by entering your first name in the appropriate field. Next, input your last name in the field provided. Then, enter your email address, ensuring it is a valid account that you have access to. Create a strong password that meets eBay's security requirements. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Now, select your country from the drop-down menu. In the next field, input your phone number for account verification. After filling in all the required fields, read through eBay's user agreement and privacy notice. If you agree to the terms, check the box to accept. Next, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will then receive a verification email from eBay. Go to your email inbox and find the email from eBay. Click the link provided in the email to confirm your registration. Once verified, return to the eBay homepage. You can now log in using your email and password. Congratulations, you are now registered on eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.